Understanding socket repair, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrases socket and repair, specifically when combined as socket repair. This video is designed to help English language learners understand these terms in a practical context. Let's dive in. In this section, we discuss the word socket. A socket is a device or hole into which another device or component fits. It can refer to various things in different contexts, such as electrical socket, a point where electrical appliances are plugged in. Socket in anatomy, a hollow part in the body, like where the eye or a tooth fits. Understanding the context is key to comprehending the exact meaning of socket. Here, we focus on the word repair. To repair something means to fix or mend it, usually restoring it to its original condition after damage or wear. Repairing can involve various activities like replacing parts, changing old or broken parts with new ones, fixing, adjusting or tweaking parts so they work correctly. Now, let's combine the two terms. Socket repair refers to the act of fixing a socket. This could be electrical socket repair, involving tasks like tightening connections or replacing a damaged socket. Anatomical socket repair. In medical terms, it might refer to a surgical procedure to fix a joint socket. It's important to look at the context to understand what kind of socket repair is being discussed. In this section, we provide practical examples to clarify the concept. Home DIY. Discussing how to undertake a basic electrical socket repair at home. Medical context. Explaining a hip socket repair surgery. Using real-life examples helps in better understanding the application of these terms. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding socket repair in the English language. Whether it's fixing a power outlet or referring to a medical procedure, the context is key. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in the next video.